This video does not replace the instructions for use. Please always read these instructions prior to first usage. Wash your hands thoroughly before and after catheterization, and clean the area surrounding the urethral opening. Before opening, unfold the catheter and unfold the bag by removing the sticker. Before opening the packaging, check whether the product is undamaged and inspect it, both visually and by touch. Also, ensure that the lubricant is evenly distributed along the length of the catheter. If it is not evenly distributed, gently press on the catheter through the packaging for an even spread of the lubricant. When opening the packaging, keep the product horizontal and remove the protective film packaging slowly to avoid lubricant loss. The protective film may be removed in several different ways. For safety and reasons of hygiene, we recommend using the product immediately after opening. All the techniques shown here can be used to remove the protective film without directly touching the inserted part of the catheter. First, hold the catheter in one hand. For the foldable no-touch technique, you have two options. For the option 1, grip and tear off the protective film at mark A with your other hand. For the option 2, hold the catheter in one hand, and with the other hand, insert your thumb in the eyelet at mark A to remove the protective film. Option 2 may be easier if you have reduced dexterity. For both options, proceed by pushing down the sheath into accordion folds without touching the catheter. Second, for a simplified no-touch technique, release a movable no-touch sheath by gripping and tearing off the film at marks C and B. This movable part will protect the catheter when handling. Third, if you want to release the whole catheter, you can free the whole catheter from the packaging. Begin by removing the protective film on the connector side at mark C. Please refer to the instructions for use to review all the opening options. You can try out different ways of unpackaging the catheter to find the one that fits your needs best. Pay attention not to fold the bag to allow a correct flow of urine inside. Now that the catheter is ready for insertion, hold the penis upwards to reduce curvature with one hand. With the other hand, gently insert the catheter through the urethral opening into the urethra and up into the bladder until the urine starts to flow. Please note, there is another tip existing named Tiemann. It has been designed to facilitate advancing the catheter during introduction into the part of the urethra which enters the prostate. Warning: the curved tip of the catheter shall point upwards. Applying manual pressure to the lower abdomen toward the end of the catheterization will ensure that the bladder is emptied completely. When the bladder is completely empty, gently withdraw the catheter. To stop the catheter from dripping, turn up the connector end of the catheter when removing. The volume of urine evacuated could be identified, estimated on the graduated urine bag. The tear-off upper corner of the bag may be removed. Then, dispose of the catheter according to the applicable local regulations. Self-catheterization should be performed only in accordance with medical advice and only according to the instructions given. Carefully read the instructions for use prior to first use of the catheter.